Hey everyone, it's EddyIsRich403. Today I have, two stories actually. The first one just came out about less than an hour ago. No, actually, no, it was an hour ago. Anyway, a 5.9 magnitude earthquake has hit the East Coast. It's been felt from the border of South Carolina up to Toronto, Canada. I do hear that there is not much damage. There have been a couple buildings damaged. But there's also, reports of the Washington Monument has tilted a little. But there have been no reports of, fatalities. Nothing. I also have another story, which has also just come out. The bedroom of, Libyan President Muammar Qaddafi has just been stormed by the rebels. And the rebels have not found him, but they have completely taken his compound. And trust me, they want to know where he is. Qaddafi, you might as well just show yourself, because you're screwed. You are royally screwed. It says here on Fox News, Qaddafi's whereabouts are unknown right now. That's pretty much it. It's just supposed to be like a small news report. But that's pretty much it. Two big stories. An earthquake hits the East Coast, and Qaddafi has not been found, but his house is gone. So, I'll see you guys later. Probably when we find Qaddafi. So I'll see you guys later.